Hey, what's up, everybody? Do I have any cheese in my beard? One of my weaknesses in life is gas station hot dogs with the little fake cheese and all. It's horrible, huh? I just ate 2 of those. Yeah, I never get them, but they are a true weakness. Um, anyway, we finally got off the yard today. We got out of there, I don't know, about 10 o'clock this morning probably. It's now 3:30 in the afternoon. We are in Oklahoma, headed to Kansas. Excuse me. Got about 3.5 hours left on the drive. Going to Ottawa, Kansas. Drop and hook. So we'll drop the loaded trailer, pick up an empty, and I would guess we'll probably just go to the truck stop there. There's a Love's in town. Probably spend the night at the Love's and pick something up in the morning if I had to guess. But we may be close enough to the meat patch. We may be able to just go on over there and get ready to pick up. Pretty much guarantee in Kansas we're going to pick up meat. My driver manager was saying, yeah, you can pick up in there and go to probably go to California or Florida from there. Never been to Florida in the truck. I had that load to Florida, remember? Not to get to the yard. Don't matter to me. I feel like I'd rather go to California than Florida, but it's whatever. Florida's not appealing to me. I lived there once, Pensacola. It's not that appealing to me. Pensacola, the beach was nice, and that's where the Blue Angels are. If you know the Navy has the fighter jet demo crew or whatever. I don't know. Demo sounds like they blow stuff up. It's not that cool. Like air shows, you know, Blue Angels. When we lived there, they practice on, like, I think it's like every Tuesday morning they would practice, so you could like go outside and watch them. Anywho, but Florida, not that appealing to me. Not that appealing. But it's miles, so who cares? I don't care. We'll go to Florida. I got my brakes just now ending. So we're about to get on the road. This old lady, driver, she was in there complaining, I wouldn't stop here if I didn't have to. They need help. Look at that line. She just tore out of here. Getting it. Little day cab. Day cab, you may have heard me say that, and I've probably maybe haven't explained it, but a day cab would be like if the back of the truck was right here, like no sleeper, there's no bed in it, it's just that's what a day cab is. Local driving. She had a low tire too. So yeah, my brake's up. We're gonna go on to Kansas. So feels good to be back on the road. It's miserable being at the yard. So it's good to be back on the road again.